Hi folks, we have an older car with a very dirty center armrest. So instead of spraying a lot of harsh cleaners on it, using a regular brush and taking all the color out of it, we're going to steam it. There's no chemical being sprayed on here. We should be able to get this clean with just steam, but it's really, really dirty. Now, I'm using the 3-hole nozzle here. We don't want to paint tiger stripes going back and forth, so we're using the nozzle with the 3 holes, which will disperse the steam a little bit better, bounce it off the walls of the brush, so we don't get that zigzag tiger stripe effect. So we've turned the pressure pretty far down. We don't want a lot of steam coming out, but we do want to keep. So with minimal steam pressure, we can see that we're already dissolving the dirt, and this is probably going to take 2 or 3 passes. But that's the first pass, and we've dissolved a lot of dirt. We'll just wipe it up with a microfiber towel. Let's go another pass. So as the steam hits the surface, it is going to condensate and get a little wet. But the microfiber towel will get in there and wipe this up pretty quick. And all that embedded dirt is pretty much out. Now this should dry in a minute or 2, and the factory gloss should be there. If you choose, you can dress it. But most of the dirt came out of it, and we're on to the next section.